Hello everyone, cyberspace once again, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how we can easily check for our computer properties in an easy way, a way that is not complex or complicated. Now, right about now, let's get started. We head over into this PC right here. We double click that. Once it opens, let me expand this for a more clear view. In the left upper corner right here, we have something like that, and take note that on Windows 7 it will be written as my computer, and for Windows 10 and above it will be this PC. We are given that shortcut, as you can see right there, Alt button plus the Enter button on your keyboard, and that is a combination of shortcut keys that you can use to access the properties of your machine. So right about now, I will left click once here and this will pop up. Let me expand it. Yes, and that is the basic information about the computer that I am having right now. And you can see that I have Windows 10 Pro installed. If you have Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 installed, it will be written that you have that specific Windows version installed on your machine. My processor down here, my processor, I have a Core i5. As you guys can see that my installed RAM memory 6 GB, system type, and yes, I don't have a touch or pen installed, and that is not available. You can see my computer name, computer description, and down here I have it that Windows is activated, and that literally means my Windows is registered with a license, a product key. Yes, and for those of you guys who have it that your Windows is not activated, I'll be coming up with a video on how we can activate Windows 10 in an easy, free way. Yes, and down here I have my product ID well indicated. Now guys, endeavor to activate your Windows, because there are issues that can arise from your Windows not being activated. Yes, thank you guys for watching, and next time when you come or go into that store to buy a laptop, could be a desktop, please endeavor that you check for system properties to buy something that is worthy your money. Cyberspace once again, I sign out. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.